not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions that might appear in coming exams. If anybody needs the PDF link of yesterday's video, download it from today's description box. I have launched a giveaway for valuable subscribers. Amazon free gift cards will be given to the 2 lucky winners. The first lucky winner was already announced. The second lucky winner will be announced on coming Tuesday. Do participate in the giveaway. Only 3 more days left to announce the winner. All you need to do is to follow the 5 instructions mentioned in the giveaway video. Now let's start. Who is elected as the 15th Chief Minister of Rajasthan? Sachin Pilot, Ashok Gehlot, Vasundhara Raje or Kamal Nath? The answer is B. Ashok Gehlot is named as the 15th Chief Minister of Rajasthan and Sachin Pilot as the Deputy Chief Minister of Rajasthan. Ashok Gehlot serving as the Chief Minister of Rajasthan for the 3rd time. Earlier he served his first term in 1998 to 2003 and second term in 2008 to 2013. He was born in Jodhpur of Rajasthan. He represents Sardarpur constituency of Jodhpur. Remember the constituencies of all the important leaders of India, very important. Yesterday we have discussed the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh constituency, Kamal Nath, is the Chhindwara constituency. And now remember Ashok Gehlot constituency is the Sardarpur constituency of Jodhpur. Who is the current chairman of the Public Accounts Committee? Mallikarjun Kharge, Sitaram Yechuri, Ghulam Nabi Azad or Yashwant Sinha? The answer is A. Mallikarjun Kharge. Very important. These kind of questions appear in SSC, CGL or CHSL. The main purpose of Public Accounts Committee is to audit the revenue and expenditure of the Government of India. The composition of Public Accounts Committee is very important. It comprises of 22 members, out of which 15 members from Lok Sabha and 7 members from Rajya Sabha. Now, yesterday Supreme Court rejects all the public interest litigation PILs for the Rafale deal probe. Supreme Court observes that there was no role of the Modi government choosing Anil Ambani's Reliance as the offset partner for the Dassault Aviation, but the Dassault itself had chosen the company. Supreme Court in a report says the Controller and Auditor General report was before the Public Accounts Committee. Now Rahul Gandhi says, where is this CAG report? As the Public Accounts Chairman is the Congress leader itself. The Mallikarjun Kharge says he is not aware of any CAG report or any Public Accounts Committee report. All the opposition parties demand for the Joint Parliamentary Committee probe investigation into this Rafale deal. The proposal for 2019 Hajj Sea route plan to take the pilgrims from which of the following routes? Mumbai and Jeddah, Chennai and Jeddah, Visakhapatnam and Jeddah or Kutch and Jeddah? The answer is A. Mumbai and Jeddah. Now Mumbai from India and Jeddah from Saudi Arabia is the sea route, reopening in 2019 almost after 23 years. The modern ship can ferry almost 4,000 to 5,000 passengers at a time. It is expected to cut the travel expenses by more than 50%. Which is the first state in India to bring a law against sextortion? Kerala, Gujarat, Jammu and Kashmir or Uttar Pradesh? The answer is C. Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir became the first state to approve a law to prevent people in power from exploiting subordinates sexually by amending the RPC law, that is the Ranbir Penal Code law. The Governor of Jammu and Kashmir, Satyapal Malik, approved the amendment to the RPC which provides for the offence of this extortion. Now, the new section was inserted which approves the Prevention of Corruption Amendment Bill 2018 and the Jammu and Kashmir Criminal Law Amendment Bill 2018. Which state tops in highest number of women survivors of violence seeking help at one-stop centers? Haryana, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh or Telangana? The answer is C. Uttar Pradesh. Almost 2 crore women survivors of the violence received help at these one-stop centers opened in past 3 years. Uttar Pradesh was at the top spot in the total number of women seeking help. Almost 1,18,833 women seeks help who are of survivors of the violence, followed by the Andhra Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Who is the current chief of the Intelligence Bureau? Rajiv Jain, A.K. Dasmana, Srinivasan, K.C. Pant. The answer is A. Rajiv Jain is the current chief of the Intelligence Bureau, and the current chief of the Research and Analysis Wing is Anil Dasmana. The terms of the Intelligence Bureau and the raw chiefs has been extended to 6 months. Now they will remain in office when the new government is elected in May 2019. In which Indian city the first private sector unit for manufacturing unmanned aerial vehicles is built? Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai or Trivandrum? The answer is A. Hyderabad. Adani Group opened a UAV complex in the city of Hyderabad, which is associated with Israeli partner Elbit Systems. Now in this UAV complex, the drones are manufactured which will be supplied to the Indian Armed Forces. The first aerostructure from this complex will roll out in March 2019. Who is honored with the Gnanpith Award for the year 2018? Amitav Ghosh, Krishna Sopti, V.S. Nepal or Vikram Seth? The answer is A. Amitav Ghosh is honored with the Gnanpith Award for the year 2018. Very important. Now the Gnanpith Award is given to an author for outstanding contribution towards the literature. You need to remember each and every novel written by the Amitav Ghosh, very important from exam point of view. The Shadow Lines, The Glass Palace, The Hungry Tide, The Sea of Poppies, The River of Smoke and Flood of Fire. Let's see the question for the day. ISRO to launch which of the following communication satellite on December 19, 2018? GSAT 6A, GSAT 7A, GSAT 8A or GSAT 9A? Mention your answers in the comment section. Let's see the answer for yesterday's question. Who is appointed as the new chairman of the Film and Television Institute of India, FTII? The answer is A. Brijendra Pal Singh. He is an Indian television producer. He is the creator and director cum producer for the Indian TV series CID. Remember, CID is the longest running TV series in India. Now the answer for this question was rightly answered by few people in the comment section. Gagandeep, Sushil Kumar, Vikram, Rohit Tripathi, our first lucky winner of the giveaway, and Ram Ranjirala. Thank you all guys for following my videos and do participate in the giveaway. Quote for the day: you don't get what you wish for, but you get what you work for. So stop dreaming and start working on it. And remember again, consistency is the key here. So this is it for today. Have a happy weekend. See you tomorrow. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.